These YouTube Shorts channels are going crazy right now. Look at this channel who generated over 350 million views in less than 1 year and making between 6k and over 90k a month using only AI. Can you imagine that?
The negative benefit or the negative effects of this.
Scientifically known as this chicken can stabilize its head.
So in this video I'm about to show you how to do the same viral shorts in a few clicks with 100% free AI tools. And I guarantee you the last tool is the secret of the success. So let's get into it. The first tool we have is vidyo.ai. And what it does is take any long form video like podcast and chop it up into shareable short clips with captions with just one click. So once you get to the website, you're gonna click on try for free, make an account or log in with your Google account, then click on upload file. From there you can upload the video from your own computer or put the YouTube link down there and import it. I already prepared the video from YouTube, so let's copy the link, paste, and start importing. After that, you got the option to personalize your videos by adding your own handles. For me, I'ma skip this part. Click done. And now your YouTube video is uploading, just give it a little bit of time. Now I just got 12 shorts with captions with one click from a 4 minutes length video. Select the clip that you want to download. By the way, you can't select multiple clips at once, cause that's not for free. Click on edit and download. If you like what you see, you can download the clip from here. Or you want to add some touches, it's up to you. Personally, I want to make some changes. On the left we have the tools we can use. For example, I'm trying to change the template. I'll choose this one, okay? I have to resize the clip a little bit. Perfect. I didn't like the title style, so I have to click on it, change the font, and I also got some effects I can use. If I want to edit the subtitles, I will go here or click on the text. Here I have 7 font options. I really like the basic one, so I'm not gonna change it. We can change the text, add emojis and subtitle lines. Go to font settings to change the font, add an outline, a shadow effect or whatever you like. Now we move to elements where you can add images or videos if you need to. Text is simply to add or modify text. I'm gonna change this to 2023. Add new text if you need to. I don't need it, so I'm gonna delete. In background, you got a lot of choices. You can upload one, select from the stock. For me, I leave it white. Once you finish, you can check how your clip will look like in different platforms. After you're done, click on download video and confirm. Next up is a special tool called fliki.ai. It's an AI-powered text-to-video and text-to-speech creator that allows users to create quality audio and video content. By this tool, you can create motivational and informative shorts with captions in few clicks. First step, open Fliki. Click on Start for free, like always. Click New File, give it a name, and submit. Before we do anything, go to Settings, Aspect Ratio, and select Portrait. Now click on Convert Idea to Video. Insert the topic of your video. Explainer, then submit. Here is when the magic comes. Within a few seconds, our video is ready. Personally, I don't like the subtitle settings Fliki has chosen. So to change it, let's click on the text. I'm gonna change the position of the subtitles, the font, the size to large, display to word, text color to yellow to stand out more.
Facts about cheat.
And I leave the background color black and set the opacity to 70% to get a see-through effect which looks better.
Facts about cheetah.
After you're done, select Apply to similar layers so the changes apply to the entire video. Quick tip: the retention rate is the main factor of viral shorts. If your video is not hooking the viewers, then the algorithm will not push your video to a larger audience. So basically, the key to a high retention rate is to keep your short engaging. So what we need to do is to switch up the footage more. We can do this by adding a new scene and copy the text from the previous scene to the new one. Select the image icon to add the new footage and search something that matches the scene. We can boost the retention even more by adding a new layer. Here the first scene talks about how the cheetah is the fastest land animal. So I will go to GIF, type something similar to fast, and add the GIF. Let's place it in the bottom center. So I'm gonna apply this to every scene to increase the chances of going viral. Lastly, let's change the voiceover to a male. Select the voice, apply to all voiceovers, and submit. Now let's check the final results.
Facts about cheetah. Meet the cheetah, the world's fastest land animal. They can reach speeds of 60 to 70 miles per hour in mere seconds. Their acceleration: faster than a sports car.
So that's it for today. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe to see more content like this, and peace.